So, Shashidhar, I can see a couple of things in the first look only, which is your resume is, it has very narrow margins on the top. Can you see? You have, you have left very small space on the top. So there should be enough space, right? So you should have at least, I must say, zero point 0.5 or 0.75 margin from the top. Getting my
Okay,
point?
so that name should be gone to a bit up, right?
A bit low. It-
Yeah, middle. It should be in middle.
Yeah, yeah. Correct?
Yeah.
All right. Then uh, professional summary, passion, government graduate. Dekho. See, it's a spelling mistake. Can you see this?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, guys, spelling mistakes in resume are suicidal. If
Actually, sir, that I haven't gone through a lot. Just basically, I just overviewed.
no, that's
That
your
professional,
no, no, no,
that
that
professional summary is also just normally I
see
have written that.
Shashidhar, whatever it is,
Yeah.
don't give excuse.
Okay, okay, sir.
If you are giving something to me, it is common sense to review it first. And
Yeah, okay, okay.
if you cannot review the spelling mistakes in your resume, what
Yeah.
you will do after joining the company tomorrow? You will also not review the spelling mistakes of an email that you will send to my client. And my
Okay.
client will say that TCS people don't know spelling.
Yeah.
Guys, it,
Yeah, yeah.
you are not expected to be superheroes or Einstein or Sashi Tharoor.
Yeah, yeah.
But please be normal people with correct spelling and correct grammar. If you
Sure.
cannot do it yourself, kindly use ChatGPT. He can do it beautifully for you. Am I
That professional summary, sir. How can I do that
listen to
professional
me,
summary?
Sashi? More than asking questions, you should listen more.
Okay, okay,
I see you ask a lot of questions. You know, that's an impatient behavior, okay?
okay,
You should
okay,
listen to more. Listen more. All right?
okay, sir.
Yeah. So, firstly, check for all the spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes. If you
Hmm.
cannot do that, then take the help of ChatGPT
Okay,
and
sir.
edit that.
Okay,
Right? Do you want me
okay.
to show how to use ChatGPT?
No, no, sir. I can do that. I can.
No, I can live give you a demo how to revise.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, let me see. Guys, can you see my screen? Can you see Careerkunj?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir, it is visible. Yeah. So see, this is the summary of his professional summary, right? Right? Correct? This is ChatGPT. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
It's
Right?
visible.
Right? Okay. Can you see the prompt? Can you see, guys? Yes, no, please.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you know, he will edit. Yeah. Better?
Okay.
Yes.
Right? So this is a better version and polished version which all of you should be using. Clear? Hai?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So you should be smart, guys. You are not, you are engineers. Engineers are supposed to be smart. Okay, let me open. So, mm, I'm I'm pasting the summary that I have just got. Okay, so yeah, so that is one thing I can see here. And okay, this is a hyperlink. Okay, I don't see there's a you can see my screen, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So there's a space here, right, which you can see it is not needed. You should reduce the space, try to save space as much as possible. Okay, and you have made small blocks. I think you should write it in one line. Shashi. Okay. Sashi, can you hear me? Sashi, you there, guys? You can hear me.
Yeah,
Yes,
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 sir.
you are audible, sir.
Okay, so basically things should be into chronological order. Chronological matlab one after another. So before BTech, you should mention your intermediate and then after that SSC. So this will come into one line, then second into this line and third into your SSC. Clear? So your percentage are good, which is a good impression. Technical skills. Okay. I hope you are good at all these skills, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because
Good.
definitely I will ask you questions from everything. See, guys,
Yeah.
when you present your technical skills like that, be ready to answer questions. Okay. Otherwise, you can also mention expert, intermediate, and basic, and then classify. Because if you are writing this way, I am going to ask you question from Java. I am going to ask you question from Python. I am going to compare you. I will ask you to compare Java and Python. Okay. So be ready. Okay. I have no problem. You can mention that. So experience should come before technical skills, right? The right order is education, then experience.
Okay. Okay.
And then you should highlight this, and then this should be into italics.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Projects, are they not uploaded on GitHub?
Actually not uploaded, sir. But actually we carry hard copy now, so I thought they won't be looking for that and all. Thought.
No, but see, you are not making a resume for TCS only, right?
Yeah.
If you are making a resume, make it good so that you can apply for any company, isn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, please work on yourself for a career, not just for one company. That will help you a long way. Again, certification should be mentioned one after another. Okay, and then you should mention the topic and the issuing authority. For example,
Yes.
this Merns Tech Developer Intern certificate you got from where? Okay,
Black book.
Blackbugs. So it
Yeah.
should be mentioned continuous. Why there is a hyphen?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, by cloud computing certification by NPTEL. So it must be from any IIT, right? Correct.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you should mention cloud computing certificate from IIT Kharagpur through NPTEL.
Sir, actually, the three rows, project certification and internships, interest, I don't know what to do in that because I have done only one project, that is the dark web classification in my final year. And main stack is, I have given that from Blackbox normal certificate, internship it is.
No, that is fine. See, one project is enough. I am always telling you guys, more than quantity, the quality matters. Okay. So
Yeah,
if you have done one project, enough. Go through it well, and then you can, you know, you should
yes.
be able to answer maximum questions from that project, right?
Yes, sir. And what are the sections I can replace with interest? Like someone said, the soft skills now. So, what more sections can I add in this resume? Like certifications, next.
Okay, Sashi, I there is one feedback for you again. Ask less, listen more.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, I have not finished my inputs on your resume.
Okay, okay, sir.
I'm still giving feedback, right? So, once I am done and I have missed anything, then you should ask. This
Okay,
can create problem for you, okay?
okay,
In
okay.
interview also and in career also. As a student, as a junior team member, you should listen more.
Yeah.
Another
Okay.
thing, guys, another mistake I'm showing all of you. Can you see this? There is no space here, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
There is no space after comma here,
Okay.
right? So these are called typo errors. And again, tomorrow you will write an email also like this to any client. So please correct that.
Okay, sir.
And see, interest you can mention in one line. You can give a comma, like programming languages, or learning new skills. And I would suggest that if you want to add something, all of you, I am seeing so many resumes of many students. All you do is you just mention technical skills. Are you just a technical person, or you also have some other interest? Are you a sportsman? Are you a classical dancer? Are you somebody who helps the society through volunteering for any NGO? Where is that face of yours? We don't
Yeah.
Sir, I
want
have a
we
doubt.
don't, we don't want just technical engineers, guys. We want people who have different interests and who can do different things. All of you are just mentioning technical, so all of your resumes are very, very technical. Please mention about your extracurricular, your achievement also. That will show a different side of your personality. Similarly, देखो, you can see there is no space here. There should be a space. Can you see this, guys?
Yes, yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. All right. So your resume is done. We'll take up somebody's else now. So enough
Sir,
feedback
I
for
have
you.
one small doubt, sir. In the last section, the certification and interest section, no, that was a empty section actually because I don't have any certificates and that interest also I just basically given those sections because that part will be left as a
So do
blank,
one
no, sir.
thing. Remove interest. Complete heading.
Yeah.
Certification. You mention this too with detail,
Yeah.
and write
Yeah.
extracurricular and achievement. Clear?
And yeah, and they mention I have mentioned men's stack, na, sir. So they would ask from all men's stack, huh? From project I have mentioned men's stack,
Yeah. So highlight this then. Bold
men's
it.
stack.
Whatever is from wherever you want them to ask question, highlight that. Clear?
Okay. Yeah, I will rectify those typo errors and extracurricular activities. I will add that section, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
All right.
So can you just check
Okay.
my resume?
I will check your resume. Meanwhile, anybody has any questions, or we'll check for Pranab. Raise
Yes,
your
sir.
hand.
There is a
Raise your
question.
hand. Raise your hand. I will unmute you. Sayed bolo.
Sir, for fresher, so do we have a one-page resume or two-page resume?
Resume should